In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a website to a reading list in Safari web browser on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser and then head over to some website. After that, to add that website to a reading list, all you have to do is just tap right here at Share, and then tap where it says Add to Reading List. After that, your website will be added to the reading list, and you can easily find that website if you tap right here at that book, and then if you select that reading list tab. Once you select this tab, it will show you all the websites and web pages you've added to the reading list, and also we can turn on showing a reading list on Safari homepage. To do that, we need to tap at Edit, and then we need to turn on reading list here. After that, websites from your reading list will be showing on your Safari homepage. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.